Welcome guys to Naija News and Entertainment. Big Brother Naija fraud recounts his journey before the reality show. He says, I see Shege. BB Naija reality TV star Fraud has recounted his experiences before fame to motivate his fans. The reality TV star recounted how he lost everything due to his carelessness as a youth and how his savings drowned to core. He wrote, I remember February 13th, 2016. I returned to Lagos from Aba with the intentions of spending a few months and leaving the country. Then life happened. I can vividly remember staying in Lekki Phase 1 and driving my first car, forming posh boy, careless as a youth and lost in the minutes. My savings went low and I had to move further down to Ikate. I felt cool and in control, but I didn't have a relationship with my creator still, and I couldn't do much for myself, and things didn't improve in 2017. Again, I had to move further down to Songotedo with intentions to manage myself and grow financially. A lot was beginning to happen all at once, and it seemed as if mine was the worst case. I know how much stories of success I heard within this period. Small things, phone rings, fraud, Olu don buy house. Phone rings, fraud, Jide don marry. Phone rings, guy how far, wetin you dey do now sef? When e go be your turn, guy? Show Dubai, work dey this side. Outgoing calls to successful friends, bro what's up? I fit see 5k for your hand, make I take hold brother. Response, brother I no dey at all. E felt like God had forsaken me, maybe putting me through some punishment for being ungrateful for life. I embraced God and told him how much I accepted whatever was happening, and I spoke positivity into my life. To carry my head up always and move slow and steady on the bumpy journey, if that is how my grace would find me. My trials, my hustle, my prayers, my cry, my fight, my plea were all answered this year in the most unimaginable way. I thank God for my 2019. You have been a huge blessing to me. Gratitude is a must because I see Shege. Chai, I suffer, I hear me. I am proud of the journey so far. I am thankful for where I am now. My fellow Big Brother Naija housemates, my family, the most caring fan base ever. Never allow the journey of life to bend you. Fight adulthood pressure with cruise. Let this inspire you, my faves. God has a plan for you, my faves. Thank you, 2019. 2020, we embrace more ever flowing grace. Don't stop believing. Never say never. Affirm that you are a grace bound. Be unbothered. Let me know what you think about Fraud's experiences in the past and his rise to stardom in the comment section below. Thank you.